Hey, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing tonight? My name is Aquil, author of Grindstone in the house tonight, because we got to celebrate this. We got to celebrate this. I brought my main man, hype man, singer,
you already,
host,
what?
Comedian.
Let's get it.
Entrepot Ninja, people.
Early that.
L Train Akins up in the building.
How everybody doing? Little boys and men type joint on
Oh,
y'all.
boys and men. Give him a little tape. Give him a little tape. They think I'm playing out this.
Y'all remember this joint right here? I was young and didn't have nowhere to run. I needed to and see what's in front of me. There had to be a better way. I'm singing again, a better way to show I'm grateful. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, give him a little tape. There you go. L Train up in the building, y'all.